Gary Gulman is our special guest today. So how's your love life going?
Oh, did you hear?
No.
Oh my gosh!
Are you engaged or something?
I got engaged.
Oh,
You did?
Yeah, I got engaged.
That's fantastic! Congratulations!
Yeah, I'm very excited. Mostly to be out of the dating game.
Yeah.
It was a night. You would not believe some of the kooks I was waking up next to. I'll tell you, I have to admit, I don't want to brag or anything, but I had a nice run there for a while.
Yeah.
But all either incredibly crazy or incredibly dumb. I actually went on vacation with a woman. This is a pretty good story. There was a jacuzzi in the room. There were candles set up around the jacuzzi. And then bubble bath. Now we're guys, and we know that a cap full of bubble bath will fill the Atlantic Ocean and overflow into the Midwest. She poured a 16-ounce bottle into the jacuzzi. It overflowed literally, and by literally I mean literally, out of the bathroom into the living room hall that was in this suite.
Yeah.
And but here was her big concern, and this is why I knew the relationship would never work. She was afraid of fire. Candles. She said, "I hope we're going to get kicked out. We're going to start a fire." Yes. Because much like the Balkans before World War I, bubble bath, soapy water, a tinderbox. You know those times you're rubbing your hands together, soaping them up, and just an explosion?
It can happen, Gary.
Oh my God.
Gary's back with us at 7 o'clock news. He's at Faneuil Hall Comedy Connection tonight, and we're at 617-237.
Yes.
I want to hear more about this woman that you've hooked up with. I mean, is she?
How did you know?
Is she from?
I knew right away.
You
It was
did?
amazing because my previous girlfriend I'd been with for 3.5 years, and I vacillated. I was like, I don't know, is this the one? And then within 2 weeks, I met this woman. I said, all right, I can't not talk to her for 6 hours every day. So I.
Wait a minute, you vacillated?
Yeah.
That sounds kind of dirty to
You've
me.
done that before.
Brian does it in his room all the time.
Wally calls it astro.
Yeah.
So you
That's the only thing I believe in God for war and big things, and also vacillation. I feel like he's watching us, and he's like, what are you doing? I gave you the gift.
and you're beautiful. And you're vacillating.
Yeah.
So you knew within days then that this was the one.
I knew within weeks, and yet the funny thing is that I had these vacation commitments with another woman.
Oh, yeah.
So I went on vacation with another woman, and this current, my fiance, didn't really know about this. And
She didn't know.
She didn't know.
So did you take the vacations?
I took the vacation. I went on the vacation. I went to Jamaica.
I would have saved them.
Of course you would.
I know. I
You get a mulligan.
This is my 5-year anniversary. I can't get out of this.
Here's something to remember, because Molly always considered his first marriage a mulligan. And we think that every guy gets a mulligan.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I hadn't told her that we were exclusive at the time, and also it was the first month of our relationship. But I knew when I was on vacation with her, I think the point is to make me not sound as much like a jerk. I knew when I went on this vacation, I was like, all right, as soon as I get back from this vacation, I'm going to tell her that I only want to see her and all this. And a lot of guys are like, oh, you got engaged, that's so sad. But man, the single scene was just a nightmare.
Yeah.
I remember this one girl I stayed over. Then I closed the door to go make a bowl of cereal in her kitchen, and she comes out. She's panicking. Where were you? She said, when you don't close the door, I feel so far away from you. I feel so well. That should be good practice for the restraining order.